another video for you guys, and today is going to be how quick this car is, how nimble this car is. Just basically what you're getting for your buck whenever you buy this car. So as you know by the title of the video, there's going to be a couple polls. It's going to be 0 to 60, 60 to 100, and then quote top speed in this car. This film was shot in Mexico by a professional driver. I personally wasn't driving. He was nice enough to give me some clips. So the first clip is going to be a 0 to 60. Now it's not a genuine 0 to 60 because it's a WRX transmission, and what the heck was that? Something just avalanche. Oh gosh. But yeah, I told the driver not to launch the car because I don't have the money to pay for a transmission. So it's basically going to be a 20 to 60, but it's still going to be, you know, the lower end gears, first, second, third, on how quick this thing gets off the line. So without further ado, let's roll that clip. As you can see, the car is decently quick for 2002 technology, for 187 horsepower stock and around 3,000 to 3,200 pounds. The car moves. The car isn't a slouch. Now, it will slouch against a turbo diesel. I personally learned that the hard way. Well, that's besides the point. The point is, this car is quick. Quick-ish, I should say. For a stock vehicle, it's quick. That's better. That's better saying. All right, now we're moving on to the 60 to 100. 60 to 100 is roughly, I'd say, 3rd to 5th, that range. So we're going on the top end range. Still, no slouch. I mean, it picks up pretty well. I mean, it is going to die off at the higher mile per hour, but I mean, I'm pretty impressed by it. I am impressed. So, of course, the next clip, as I always say, is going to be that run. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you whenever you get back. So soon, probably because this car is pretty quick, obnoxiously quick. It's fast. I'm just up talking about vehicle because this is my baby and I am very biased on this vehicle. I mean, I have to give it some credit at some point, even though, you know, it's 187 horsepower. As I was reviewing the footage, I saw that the quote top speed run was recorded at the top range. He didn't get like the full whatever he went to. I guess he got scared. I guess he did. All right, so the next clip's going to be the top speed, quotes around top speed. And I put quotes around top speed because honestly, in Mexico, you really can't find a top speed on this. You run out of real estate quick, and that's what the guy told me. So, I mean, you already know what the top speed is. I mean, you saw it in the intro, so let's roll it again. Let's roll the full clip then for you guys' entertainment. And yeah, let me know what you think. Warp speed is. This car's fast. It's quick. Fast and quick. Two dangerous combinations. You don't want to mess with the stock Subaru WRX 2.0 turbocharged engine. You just don't want to mess with it. But yeah, as you saw in that clip, I was reviewing the footage, and you know, it died off at the 120 range. I guess he ran out of real estate, but it kept going very slowly. But it's not safe at that speed, so I don't blame him. Yeah, that's basically all I have for this video. I mean, you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see, honestly. I said in my 2 weeks ago that I'm running out of ideas, I'm running out of things to talk about and whatnot, and yeah, it's true, I'm running out of content. It is true. I was busy the past 2 weeks, but another reason was because I had nothing to record. But then this popped in my head, so I hired a driver, took a race in Mexico, and that was that. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more videos with me in my car. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.